Welcome to the world of data analysis, where uncovering insights is like solving a captivating mystery. Picture yourself as a detective, but instead of physical clues, you're piecing together a puzzle made of data, vast, complex, and full of potential. Our journey begins with collecting and cleaning the data. Imagine this as gathering all your clues. You start by sourcing data from different places, then meticulously cleaning it to ensure accuracy and reliability. This step is crucial, just like a detective would examine evidence to ensure it's genuine. With your clean data in hand, it's time to delve deeper. Think of this stage as using a magnifying glass to scrutinize each piece of evidence. You analyze the data to find patterns, trends, and connections. Exploratory data analysis helps reveal these insights, while various analytical methods, like predictive analytics, help you forecast future outcomes. Next, you bring your findings to life through visualization. Picture crafting charts and graphs that turn complex data into clear, understandable visuals. Just like a detective presents their case to the team, you develop interactive dashboards and reports to illustrate the story your data tells. As you start to see the bigger picture, it's time for insight generation. This is your aha moment, where you identify key trends and formulate actionable recommendations. It's like connecting the dots to solve the mystery and providing valuable guidance for decision-making. Finally, you share your findings. This step is akin to a detective briefing their team. You present your insights to stakeholders, ensuring they understand the story and its implications. Effective communication transforms complex data into actionable strategies that drive informed decisions. And that's the essence of being a senior data analyst, turning raw data into valuable insights and those insights into impactful actions. Now that you've seen the detective work behind data analysis, you understand how transforming raw data into actionable insights is both an art and a science. From collecting and cleaning to analyzing and visualizing, each step plays a crucial role in unlocking the true potential of data. By mastering these skills, you not only become a more effective data analyst but also a key player in driving informed decisions and strategic actions. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your expertise, remember that every dataset holds a story waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of data analysis. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about turning data into impactful actions.